What's up guys, in this video again it will be something very interesting and very different than my regular video. This is a Dashcam Mini 3 by KAWA, and this is available in Aliexpress. And it's one thing I'm gonna tell you, that is one of the best budget and very minimalist kind of dashcam for the car. And it's very compact design, and like as you can see, like this box is even looks like very small. Yes, very small. And of course it has like compact design. It's very run with a voice prompt. It record like USD quality, and it has like Wi-Fi and app supports, and it's very minimalist, which I really like it. So that's why I'm gonna review this product. Nowadays, like having a dashcam is very important, because nobody know what's happening happen in your zone, right? And here it looks like, how it looks like. Better need it. And this one is USB-C to USB-A to power up this dashcam. Very small, and it's very good too. Small, and it's very compact and minimalist. No one will notice like you have this dashcam with your camera, right? See, like it's kind of movable. It's easy to mount in the windshield. I just need to figure out how to hide this wire and stuff, because my old car has so many stuffs going on, so I need to learn it. So that's it. It's a very easy unboxing. I need to figure out how it works. Let me try to use it. I have to figure out how it works, right? Like application is available for this dash camera. As you can see, like it's just so tiny and so cute, so it's very easy to keep it in the camera. And so let me install this app, and how it looks like I will show you around. So activating this dashcam is super straightforward, and it has like a voice control command, so it's very convenient, I must say. The video quality is very nice with this one. With this app, it's very easy to connect. I already connected here. As you can see, like you can, even in very low light, I can record very nicely. It's very straightforward. It's a record with the mic, and the most important is like it has voice control. It works perfectly, very nice. Like turn off hotspot.
Failed to perform this operation.
Turn on hotspot. See, it does very quickly. You just have to remember those keywords, and when you know this keywords, and it's very interesting. If you are driving and if you see something unusual, you can just say that like lock the video, and it will keep locking that video, right? Or maybe take photo, it will take a photo. Or you can say like turn off Wi-Fi.
Failed to perform this operation.
So it was already, Wi-Fi was already turned off, so it will just say like that they failed to do that. Turn off audio, so it doesn't say nothing at all, means because it is doing that job. Like if I say like turn off audio, so it means that it was already turned off. So like if I say like turn on audio, so that means it already turned on the audio. Turn on audio. Turn on audio. So it's like audio is already turned on. So that's quite interesting. So here are bunch of things you can play with around. You can like check everything with the SD cards. Yeah, it connects SD card over here, so it's quite easy. And the power button is here, so like you can do a lot of things, right? You can like storage how you want to have it, like quad SD or full SD or just SD, how you want it to have it during collision, like how you want to have it, like high sensitivity or sensitivity or medium sensitivity. Quite a super interesting product. I really like it. I like it. Okay guys, and this is how it looks like from outside the car, right? That is a dashcam. As you can see, it's barely visible. It looks very minimalist. So this is how it is.